Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread easily. We will start by gathering just 4 simple ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and salt. These basic components are the foundation for a delicious loaf. You will be surprised how quickly you can transform these everyday items into something truly special. Get ready to discover the joy of baking fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. It is a rewarding process that yields fantastic results every time. Now, let us get our hands a little messy. First, combine your flour and yeast in a large bowl. Next, stir in the salt, then gradually add the warm water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn this mixture out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. You will feel it transform from sticky to smooth and elastic, indicating it is ready for the next step. After kneading, it is time for the dough to rest and rise. Lightly oil a clean bowl, then place your dough inside, turning it once to ensure it is fully coated. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or a damp kitchen towel. Let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 2 hours, or until it has visibly doubled in size. This crucial step allows the yeast to work its magic, developing flavor and texture. Finally, we are on the home stretch to fresh bread. Gently punch down your risen dough to release the air, then shape it into your desired loaf. Place it into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and let it rise for a second time, about 30 to 45 minutes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.